Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to this laptop. So first, click the three icons on your status bar. Then to enable Bluetooth you have to click this icon, Bluetooth icon right here, and once it turns the blue color, click the arrow icon next to it and then put your device into pairing mode. I cannot tell you exactly how to do that because each device has its own settings, so if you're not sure how to put your device Bluetooth device into pairing mode, then check the manual to do that. And once you put it into pairing mode, it will appear on this list, so you'll just have to find it here and then click on it. Let me show all devices, and here it is. Just click on it and this way you will connect it. Then you can click on it once again, and if you want to disconnect it, just click disconnect, or if you want to remove it completely, go to more Bluetooth settings, hit the three icons in the top right corner of this device, then select remove device, and you will remove this device completely from your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.